The FSQ group supports these videos by letting me take any tool I need and not telling anybody. And then when I wreck the tools, I just give them back then and pretend they were always broken. And then get poopy at the boss for not giving us better quality tools. On a serious note, they've helped me out heaps. And if you want any type of fire service done, call them up and use coupon code MICFSQ for 20% off for a premium service. This one is about how I got here. I think my videos might be more about the struggle it was for me to build my dream boat rather than how to build your dream boat. I haven't finished yet. It might give you some ideas and the courage to do something to your boat. You're looking at the underside of the dash at the moment. It's probably hard to tell. This is where I'm at the moment. Starting from the start, my boat used to look like this when I bought it back in October 2018. My son was 2 years old. He's 6 now. The boat had the twin 6-cylinder motors and legs, which weren't worth fixing in my opinion, and I wanted to go a single motor for fuel efficiency and cost savings. So I ripped out the old motors. The floor looked wavy because it had let go of the stringers, so I ripped the floor out. My stringers are fiberglass box, which is great because they don't rot. I replaced the wood in the transom with thermalite. I bought an old 240 horsepower turbo diesel Mercruiser with a Bravo 2 leg. The fiberglass stringers weren't bonded to the hull very well in some places, so I ripped the center stringer out and cleaned up and resealed the insides of the stringers and turned them into freshwater tanks to use for showering and cleaning the boat. I'll also use the water for ballast. I put a few more layers of glass on the bottom of the hull, added more glass to the stringers to the hull, installed a bow thruster tube for a bow thruster. Pause it if you want my measurements. Trying different ways to not get itchy by pressurizing a hazmat suit with an air conditioner and a jumping castle motor. Didn't work good. Made a new thermalite floor with a ton of hatches and got that installed. I'll have a toilet shower behind the driver's seat. I'll do it in a cool way so it will be hidden. I added some wings to the back of the transom to allow me to fit some trim tabs on. They are 18-inch trim tabs. Bennett auto leveling. I had 3 VersaFlow battery air-fed masks, which caused me so much grief. I ended up making them work with Milwaukee batteries. This made my life so much better. I made more storage cupboards in the drop-down floor area. Did I mention I hate wasted space? I repaired my fiberglass fuel tanks. I'm going to extend the roof on the hull. So I removed the roof. I should have done that ages ago. It was heavy. I removed the old windows, split the deck from the hull. I probably should have done that sooner too. It had let go from the hull in areas. It was pretty flimsy. Flipped the deck over so I could work on it easy. I removed all the rotten wood, more grinding and dust. Reinforced the underside of the deck, thermalite and honeycomb. I want the sexy Reaver windows and the roof to pop up with actuators, which meant I had to completely redesign the dash. I made a mold out of melamine, threw some gel coat and fiberglass on it, then cracked it out of the mold. That took longer than I'd like to admit. Glassed the new dash to the deck, did a dummy fit to the hull, fits like a glove, flipped the deck upside down again, glassed the new dash in from the underside, made some panels for under the dash, did a bunch of painting and sanding, then final top coat, which is where I'm at right now. You like that? This is taking way too long.